Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 5th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Everybody had a nice little break there. Back to action today. First week of the third quarter coming to an end today. Market went out at all-time highs on Wednesday in the ES and NQ. Well, right now, in our overnight and pre-market, we have new all-time highs. NQ's all-time high was poor, right? H was afterwards, so that would have been an overnight all-time high, but we've gone higher since then. So we had a poor high in NQ at their regular trade, now all-time high. We have wide pox here, right? Look at this from where the market had our price probe on Wednesday. 18 wide right above that. Plus, I'll add anything across at those same prices as the POC. So we'll see how wide it is. 12 wide up here for NQ. Righty right now. Righty, little issues again, right? Righty is still in balance. Okay, they're still in balance. Well, right now they look to possibly gap blower from Wednesday. Again, yesterday is just considered overnight. But even from there, they're looking lower. The balance low for them is all the way down here. So their balance rules continue here as they just can't get out of their own way. I will recap tonight all of these charts to see where we are from top down. Again, you could get some volatility today, but not as much volume again, because I have a feeling there's a lot of traders still out. But you do have non-farm payroll coming out at 8:30, the Fed minutes that we're getting digested. So you got Lagarde again, it looks like, speaking at 1:15. She spoke, I think, every day this week. So she's on more than Johnny Carson ever was. They love to hear themselves speak. So game plan early. So the overnight low, to me, is here. That's yesterday's shortened session. That's an overnight for me. It's also poor, down at 85.25. It's also right above value high from Wednesday in our little set of single prints. So that's a decent risk reward long. You can either get out if they get the overnight low or see what happens at the single print fill. I would probably wait for the single print fill to see if we get rejected out of the lower distribution. As far as a short, again, you're in uncharted territory above these overnight highs, but taking a short against them to see if they front run them again has proven to work, although remember it would be with higher value. In NQ's case, their overnight is a lot different. Their overnight low is in the single prints, but it's still a good risk reward. Now remember, they have another set down here. So if you take the long against the overnight low, if they were to fill this set, if you don't get a responsive bounce off of it, I wouldn't hold it down to this other set of single prints. And then chart-wise, remember, not SPY, but ES has an opportunity for an outside week up because they took out last week's low. SPY did not. So if we close above last week's high, you have a chance for an outside week up, which would be pretty interesting. Now, SPY's still up on their weekly. For ES, it would be balance, but an outside week up, if they're able to do that. And on a daily, we broke out of this large balance, and right now are up. Thanks so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.